Hello viewers and welcome to this video. I am Yashi Asthana, the Chief Executive Officer of Softpro Group of Companies, welcoming you all in this video. This video I have come up with to share a very important information for all the students who are doing BTech from AKTU. Even those who are doing BTech from non-AKTU university or those who are doing BCA or MCA, this video is for all. Just like previous years, if you have subscribed the YouTube channel of Softpro and if you are connected with us, you must be knowing that Softpro India has last year organized a summer internship 2024 on a very grand scale, where AKTU has given us the permission to conduct free summer internship for the students on the basis of the test which we have conducted last year. The students under the services of the MOU which we have signed with Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, we are going to launch Summer Internship 2025 this year as well. And to grab the opportunity of doing summer internship with Softpro on free basis, the information which I'm going to share is for all. Well, recently AKTU has circulated a notice to all the colleges which falls under AKTU and has also floated a link through which students are registering themselves for free summer internship 2025 jointly organized by Softpro India in association with Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University. Since the circular has already passed last month and we have got almost more than 10,000 registrations from BTech students of second year and third year till now, and still the portal for the registration is open. The students who want to register themselves for free summer internship 2025, the portal will be open till 15th of June. Before that, if you guys are interested to do your summer internship with Softpro India, you can register on that. Plus, I want to also inform you all that the test which we are going to conduct for you guys will be conducted on 15th, 16th and 17th June, which will be conducted in online mode. The entries which we have got from AKTU students, those who have registered themselves for on the portal, their test will be conducted on these following dates: 15th, 16th and 17th June. There will be a webinar where we'll be discussing about the Softpro's profile, we'll be discussing about the summer internship features, the highlights, everything, and thereafter you guys can give the test and grab the opportunity of doing summer internship with Softpro. Guys, the summer internship this year we will be conducting at two geographical locations of the state of UP. We will be conducting our summer internship in Lucknow. And in Lucknow, there will be two locations for you guys. One will be at Jankipuram at Softpro House, a very well-known learning center of Softpro, which is very next to AKTU building. And the other location is Gomti Nagar, near Chirhat Tiraha. So these are the two locations of Lucknow. And the other location which this year we are going to launch for BTech students is at Noida. The students who are from the Delhi NCR surrounding area, they can do their summer internship from Noida at our corporate office, Sector 63, H Block. The numbers are already flashed on the screen, so you can note down the numbers and you can get the queries solved about the address, about everything. So guys, be prepared for this test. Register yourself on our portal, which is there on your screen, aktufreeinternship.training@softpro.com. Register yourself, book your spot, give the test, and get the opportunity of getting free internship by Softpro. Now, talking about the students who are not from non-AKTU background, from non-AKTU university, so students, for them also, we have launched our portal, summerinternship.training@softpro.com. But for that, you need to first of all call our advisors, our summer training advisors, the counselors. You can contact them, you can call them, you can get yourself registered on this portal if you are interested to do your summer internship with Softpro. So we have launched two portals, one for AKTU students and one for non-AKTU students. Both the URLs you can see on the screen. Now talking about the technologies, well, just like previous years and this year also, we are launching our summer internship on all the latest platforms and technologies that are Python with data science, Python with machine learning, MERN stack, Java with Spring Boot framework, also Python with IoT, the emerging technology, embedded system and robotics, and PHP with Laravel framework. So these are the latest technologies. The methodology, just like all the years, we always believe in our quality education and providing the students the practical learning. For that, when you will be registering with us for your summer internship, you will be doing your foundation skills training, which will be focused on web technologies and databases. Thereafter, doing your training on your desired domain, your technology, with the latest frameworks, which are associated with all the languages. For example, Python with Django, PHP with CI or Laravel, Java with Spring Boot. MERN itself is having 4 frameworks. So you'll be doing your framework training and then you'll be working on industry endorsed projects. Well, students, the company Softpro India is a software development firm, as you all know very well. So we have a lot of clients whom we are working on their softwares. The software development team works on the softwares and deploy these softwares for these clients. Majorly, the software clients of Softpro are from government sector. And we are this year giving the opportunity to the students to do their summer internship with industry endorsed project to bridge the technology gap which is happening between the students and the professionals. Irrespective of what location you are choosing, you are going to do your summer internship with Softpro under the supervision of software development team on industry endorsed projects. So this will be the methodology which we are going to follow in summer internship 2025. Now, one more thing which I would like to add on over here is each and every intern of Softpro who will be doing their summer internship with Softpro India, we are guaranteeing 5 interviews to every intern. If you successfully complete your summer internship with Softpro India, post your final year, when you'll be in your final year in your last semester, Softpro's HR team will be active for you and we will be giving you the opportunity to sit in 5 interviews of top MNCs. तो आपके लिए Softpro India लेके आया है offer where you can do your summer internship, you can upskill yourself, you can get trained with us, and then you'll be getting placed by us. So this is what Softpro's summer internship 2025 is all about. To get more information about summer internship, to get to know about the online summer internship test details, I will be coming up with my next video very soon. By the time, if you have not yet registered, please register yourself and also subscribe our YouTube channel because I'll be coming up with my next video about the summer internship test, as well as also you can follow the Softpro India's WhatsApp channel because we will be sharing the information there as well. Still you have any queries? The numbers are here. Please call to our course advisors, summer training advisors for more information. Get trained by the industry experts having knowledge and experience of more than 15 years and get trained and associated with a company which is being founded by technocrats from IIT Kanpur and IIT Lucknow. So guys, what are you waiting for? Register yourself and welcome to the biggest summer festival of Softpro India Summer Internship 2025. Thank you so much and happy learning.